जाने खुदा मेहरबान तेरे सिवा थोड़ी नहीं रहोगे जुदा थोड़ी ना साथ मेरा
ये हौसला कैसे झुके, ये आरज़ू कैसे झुके, ये हौसला कैसे झुके, ये आरज़ू कैसे झुके। मंजिल मुश्किल तो क्या, धुंधला साहिल तो क्या।
जो रहा था जो दिल में ना रहा दिल वो जज्बात का, जी रहा था जो हक से लापता झूठ फिर वो हुआ, परछाइयों में लिपटा हुआ धुआं हो गया। बेवजह क्यों यूं ही
इस बदले को कौन बता दे, ढूंढ रहा है जो तू जग में, कोई जो पाए तो मन में ही पाए, सपनों से भरे ना तो नींद है ना कहना। लिखे जो खत तुझे वो तेरी याद में हजारों रंग के नजारे बन गए।
Mogana son more Chibitsuki ore Shitokai che ware Karzana sta pure Vogliamo gazzo I'm cadito Sodanza shura mirautali Di soi un kaitso Toshen stebalagi matali Ik word zaukam so Sodans moneram shahurtele
या सारे या और से तुझे गया या सारे या और से तुझे गया और संत लागे रावला तो कागे और संत लागे रावला तो कागे है बेस तुझे गया
Toda cittadine deli monondre Lishpuma Gauro wasa tuiso Hawasa regoba Chiplele chito Pure zala pura Redeva Hoshi zateli Unde Lishpuma Despesala za Tuisora uiteli Loia podoza Kazari zateli
Sousar wo fort ki romano Ocean makateslam Chereacia mogan pardon Zaiti pauti foslam Anik maka mogna kamonon Ugitza kafoslam Lugto koru Wel muzo false love.
Hey Asturi, hey Dhartari, hey Savari. Hey Asturi, hey Dhartari, hey Savari. सुजनाचे गीत तू जिरेचो ताल तू सुजनाचे गीत तू जिरेचो ताल तू राजमुद्रेचो When you love someone, you'll do anything. You'll do all the crazy things that you can't explain. You'll show me the moon, but I'm the sun. When you love someone, your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her breathing on the roof, a beauty in the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to a kitchen chair, she broke your throat and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the
I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Fire away, fire away. Ricochet, you take your aim. Fire away, fire away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium.
When the rhythm starts to play, dance with me, makes me sway. Like a lazy ocean hugs the shore, hold me close, sway me more. Like a flower running in the breeze, bear with me, sway with ease. When we dance you vibe away with me, stay with me, sway with me.
And every time she asks me, do I look okay? I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I could change. 'Cause girl, you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while.
There were nights when the wind was so cold that my body froze in bed if I just listened to it right outside my window. There were days when the sun was so cruel, all the tears turned to dust, and I just knew my eyes were drying out forever.
My life is brilliant, my love is pure. I saw an angel, of that I'm sure. She smiled at me on the subway, she was with another man. But I won't lose no sleep on that, 'cause I've got a plan. You're beautiful, you're beautiful, you're beautiful, it's true.
Am I dreaming? I'm stupid. I think I better head back Cupid. No one needs to know right now. I met a tall, dark, and handsome man, and I've been busy making big plans, and no one needs to know right now.
Let's start with Konkani. We have 3 contestants who've made it to the finals of Voice of Goa in the Konkani category, and all 3 will be winners in their own right. Ladies and gentlemen, the first name that I have, as I said, the judges took into account the performances in the auditions and in this particular semi-final as well. There's Mr. Sharath, he will also join us here. Well, the first name that I have here in this list, the finalist of Kingfisher Voice of Goa 2014 in the Konkani category. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Rituja Lotlikar. Ladies and gentlemen, our second finalist of Voice of Goa 2014 is Ansi Gonzalez. Congratulations, Ansi. And well, what can I say? It seems like the ladies are dominating the finalists this year. Our third and final finalist at Kingfisher Voice of Goa 2014 in the Konkani category is Wafina Dias. She has a big fan following, a friends following. Congratulations, Wafina. Please do join us here. So, ladies and gentlemen, these are our three finalists of Voice of Goa 2014. Let's have a big round of applause for them, please. I'm sure you'll agree that they were the most consistent performers in this edition of Voice of Goa. Well, stay right where you are. Don't go anywhere because I'm going to read out the names of the other three contestants. Now, in the Hindi category, we have three names again. But ladies and gentlemen, after taking everything into consideration, here are the three finalists of Voice of Goa 2014. The first name that I have here in this list, well, he shares his surname with one of the most famous singers this country has ever seen. It is Akash Mangeshkar. Congratulations, Akash. Please join us here. Well, as I said, all the performances were good, but these were the best performances according to the judges. The next name that I have here in this list, Rajat Mishra. Of course, the classical singers I was referring to was Rajan and Sajan Mishra. The last name that I have here in this list is of Divya Naik. Congratulations, Divya, and commiserations to all those who could not make it. Both the Anurags, you all were very good. Wish you better luck next time, and the rest as well. Vibha also put up a very good show, along with Ulfa Khwaja and Raj Madgaonkar. A round of applause for them, please, those who could not make it. But be assured that they gave you all a very, very tough fight. And now, please put your hands together for our first finalist in the English category of Voice of Goa 2014, Kunal Di Costa. It shouldn't come as a surprise. Well done, Kunal. Congratulations. Two more names to go. A few hearts beating very fast. The next name that I have here in this list, ladies and gentlemen, you can call him a surprise package. He came out of nowhere, but again, a terrific performance in the auditions and in both the rounds of the semi-finals. Ladies and gentlemen, our second finalist of Kingfisher Voice of Goa 2014 is Adrian Briganza. And I still have one more name. Congratulations, Adrian. I still have one more name in this list. And all three will be winners. And after long deliberation, well, this took a lot of time. The English category, of course, because there's a prize money involved. You will also be an ambassador for Voice of Goa. Versatilities involved. There are many things that are taken into account. But ladies and gentlemen, the last and final name that I have here in this list, the third finalist of Kingfisher Voice of Goa 2014. She's been a part of Voice of Goa before. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Jennifer Fernandez. Congratulations, Jennifer. Please do join us here. And ladies and gentlemen, these are our 9 finalists, 3 in each of the categories. Let's have a big round of applause for them, please. These are the best performances of the evening. I'm sure you will agree with that.
The king a good time. We're gonna have a good time. Get together. La 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 yo. La 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 yo. La 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 yo. La 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 yo. La 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 la. La 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 yo. La 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 la. Oh, me and my friends, the king a good time. We're gonna have a good time. Get together. La 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 yo. La 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 yo. La 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 yo. La 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 yo. La 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 la. La 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 yo.